Welcome to this technical guide on the Lenovo Yoga 920. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Lenovo Yoga 920 can't even get through a meeting, it likely means the battery is failing. This can happen due to age, wear and tear, or simply because it has reached the end of its life cycle. If not addressed, it could lead to more serious issues, including potential damage to your laptop's internal components. To tackle this battery replacement efficiently, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a spudger, and a replacement battery specifically for the Lenovo Yoga 920. First, ensure that your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by carefully removing the back cover. Use your plastic opening tool to gently pry apart the edges of the cover, taking care not to damage the clips holding it in place. Once the back cover is removed, locate the battery, which is typically secured by several screws. You will need to remove these screws using your Phillips screwdriver. Remember to keep them safe as you will need them for reassembly. After removing the screws, gently lift the battery from its compartment. You may need to disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. Use your spudger to carefully lift the connector without applying too much force. Now, take your new battery and position it in the same spot as the old one. Reconnect the battery cable to the motherboard, ensuring it is securely in place. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Next, replace the screws to secure the new battery in place and carefully align the back cover. Press down firmly to snap it back into position, ensuring all clips are engaged. Finally, power on your Yoga 920 and check that it holds a charge properly. To prevent this issue from happening again, ensure that you regularly calibrate your battery by fully charging and then discharging it periodically. Avoid leaving your laptop plugged in constantly, as this can also shorten battery life. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.